The 2011 Ford Focus SES. With a manual transmission, this sedan, with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Ford features alloy wheels, premium wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, fog lights, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include cruise control, power windows, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.